Here we have a Volvo XC90. It's coming with a stop-start failure warning message. So just give it a diagnostic just to see what's going on. Just let this fire up and go through its bits, see if we've got any electrical faults stored in here. Scanning through all the systems. I'm probably going to find some fault codes in here that have absolutely no relation to it, because that's my biggest bugbear. People do repair work and they don't clear the old fault codes, so the next time you go into it there's a whole massive old fault codes in it that bear no relation to what's going on currently. But let's just see what's going on. Lots of codes in lots of systems. Right, okie dokie. Yeah, well, here's one that I was kind of expecting. Support battery power input fault, open circuit. Various other fault codes on there. Scrolling through. Another battery voltage, ECU supply voltage, sensor supply voltage low, battery voltage. Well, there's enough voltage problems in there. Let's just have a little look in here. Data stream, right. Auxiliary battery voltage and battery voltage, because this car has two batteries on it. It's got the main battery in the boot, and because it's got stop start, this has an auxiliary battery in the engine bay, which is basically like a motorcycle battery, just helps it along. Let's see what we've got. Right, okay, well, the main battery voltage, I've been sitting here for a few minutes, that's down to 11.85, but the auxiliary battery voltage is down to 11. That should have stayed up better than that. So what we'll do, we'll just check out these two batteries, just see what's what they've got in them, but I'll be checking the auxiliary battery first, because I'm pretty sure that's where the issue is. So let's just come out of here, get all that, get that out of there, just switch this ignition off, pop the old bonnet, take the key out, I don't want it locking itself on me. Where are you? Ah, there you are. So, auxiliary battery, just under here. I've already got another one, because I'm kind of cheating. That's your auxiliary battery, more like a motorbike battery than anything, and in fact some suppliers supply you a motorcycle battery. But you see here, 12 volt, 10 amp, 170 cca. The motorbike batteries are only 120, they're not chunky enough. So that's why I went to Volvo, got the proper one, just to make sure we get it right. Okay, let's have a look here. Now, one thing to note, this is your charger point. If you need to charge your battery, it doesn't matter which battery you want to charge up, that's your positive, that's your negative. Don't go to the battery in the boot and charge it, because you won't charge this auxiliary battery. And there it is. It's actually not even held in by anything, just by a wing and a prayer. So we'll just disconnect that cabling. I normally take the negative off first, but I can't reach in under there. I'll just do this first. I don't have to take this cable off, it just makes it easier to get the battery out. Where are you? this on here. Just have a little look to see what sort of amps this thing's holding. If anything, oh blimey, see it's even worse, it's down to 10.9, look. Let's see, has it got any amperage in it? No, completely duff. Whereas the new one, which should be 170, is sitting on 12.8 volts, 330 cranking amps in that one, so that will give us plenty of support power. That's why you buy genuine stuff. Yes, I know there's plenty of aftermarket stuff that's good out there, but on this occasion, not. That was a bit tight. Oh dear. Go on, get in. Right. Excuse the camera wiggling around because I can get a sound. Try and at least start these threads before you whack into it with even this little electric ratchet, because that'll do well at crossing threads. There we go. Right, get these bits back in. And let's get back in here and let's measure up some voltages. Ow. Oh, hang on. No, that helps if I actually have the key in here, doesn't it? Right, let's plug that back in properly. Do that and do that. Just fire it up. That's better. I'll car key battery low. Right. Diagnostic. Let's just go back into this. Just set this up. Ignition on without foot on the brake. Here we go. Health reports again. We're still going to have those old fault codes, but we'll be able to clear them and just measure up what the auxiliary battery voltage is. Nearly done, 82%, 86, 88, 92, 4, 6, 8, done. Right, boom, ba-dum, boom. Back into here. Data stream, auxiliary battery voltage. Oh, looky, auxiliary battery voltage 12.8. Right, wonderbar. Come out of here, yes, I want to end that function, and then I want to clear all the fault codes. For those of you thinking it, I have already tested the main battery, and that had loads of oomph in it, plenty enough. So we'll take this for a little run and see how the stop start goes. And that was that. Support battery, as they call it, was duff. So replace that, and that sorted out our problems. So don't go thinking you got to replace the main battery, because that's going to cost you 200 plus, depending where you get it from. Check out if you've got a support battery, as with this one it has. So that support battery is a lot cheaper than the main battery, and you would have ended up changing both batteries. So yeah, check out your support battery before you start worrying about the main battery.